Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Keyz, and we're here back again with another video. And before we get started, go ahead, click on that subscribe button, share this with somebody, like the video, interact with us, because like I said, I'm here to give you guys some value. And of course, if there's any specific things that you'd like for me to just elaborate on, dive deeper in, let me know down in the comment section so we could be able to do that. Now, with that being said, let's jump straight into it. Today, I wanted to talk about my digital course creators and my coaches. And I mean, it doesn't need to be a specific type of coaching. Maybe you're just trying to establish an online presence so you can be able to sell your digital product or your services online. And honestly, to tell you the truth, all you just need is just a well-structured framework. And what I like to say is a blueprint. And many people end up just coming online on social media, trying to sell their products, trying to sell their services, and they're not getting the results that they're getting. But right now, I'm about to break down a way that you can make about $100,000 within your first year of even doing this. Or if you're already doing this, maybe you could implement some of the stuff that I'm going to be showing you on, so you could be able to really blow up your business doing it the right way. So what is this framework that I'm talking about? I call this the OVRC framework. So basically the OVRC framework, I'm gonna break it down what exactly it is. Like I said, a lot of people trying to come into this space of creating digital courses or coaching and want to be able to build a 6 or even a 7-figure business. For example, let me show you this. This award right here, by my coach Eileen and Joe, I was able to do 6 figures in one day inside of the coaching. This is an award that you receive. Put it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if it's focusing, but this award right here is an award that you receive after doing 6 figures in one day. And you know, through the different things that I've learned throughout the coaching and even things that I learned throughout the years, I've been able to put stuff together so I could be able to accomplish a lot of things that I've accomplished. I've done 6 figures, I've done up to 7 figures, you know, and now I'm able to feel like I'm not gonna call myself an expert, but I know a thing or two when it comes to really getting your business off the ground, especially selling courses and being a coach. So like I said, let's go down with this framework that I call the OVRC framework. So what is it? Number 1 is your offer. Now, of course, what's gonna make you stand out than the average person that is selling the same thing that you're selling, right? Is your offer. What does your offer consist of? How can we make our offer super irresistible? One of the books that helped me like really mold the different offers that I have to a whole nother level is this book right here. Now, I don't want you to think that this is not like a sponsorship video. This is none of that. I wasn't paid to show this book, but this book is $100 Million Offer by Alex Hormozi. And this book right here definitely helped me elevate things to the next level and really understanding how to create an offer, right? And this could be down packed to you creating a course or even you having your services. Like, what can I put inside this course to make it so outside of what everybody's typically used to for what the market is offering, and how can I make it so good that people will feel dumb to say no to this? So you want to make sure that you have a good offer, right? So the next one is V. What is V? V stands for value. What is the value that you have to offer so people can trust that you are the go-to person when it comes to you as a coach or you as that digital course creator? Like, what is that thing that's going to convince people to make them feel like, oh my God, you are the person I should go with? Is the value. And the way how you put your value out there or showing people that you have value or know the stuff that you're talking about is by putting content. Do not sleep on putting content out on social media. Jump on YouTube. I'm gonna tell you right now, YouTube is the easiest place where you can really just keep on putting content out there. Don't pay attention to how many views you're getting. Don't pay attention to who's subscribing to your channel. Just put the content out there, because now when you are telling people that you are this life coach or whatever it is, or you a digital course creator, you created a course showing people how to do this, that, and the third, that's not enough to just convince people to go ahead and start purchasing from you. People like to do their research. Okay, let me see if this guy really knows what he's talking about. you know? So put information out there, show people your value within the market space that you're trying to get into. Next one is R. R is the results. Now, you don't need to already have sales for you to be able to get reviews or testimonials from people, right? So what you could do, even if you never got a sale yet, you never had anybody purchase from what you have to offer, all you got to do is go ahead and just have those friends and families that you helped out for free, or whoever you helped out for free, make them write a review of the services that you provide, or make them do a video testimonial of the results that you was able to help them do. The next one is C, community. Community. You want to be able to have a community of people that's going to trust in you to go ahead and start purchasing your product. Now, this doesn't mean that you need a large following on Instagram. This doesn't mean that you need a large following on YouTube. You can leverage other people following. And the way that you can do that is by collaborating. Find someone who already have your audience so you can be able to leverage their audience for the benefit of yours. For example, I'm an e-commerce coach. I'm not gonna go to another e-commerce coach trying to sell my offer to their people. Why? Because 9 times out of 10, there's gonna be like a conflict of interest. But if I'm an e-commerce coach, I can find someone who's known for setting up e-commerce stores, so I can go ahead, collaborate with them, and offer my stuff to them, right? I hope that makes sense. If you want me to go deeper into that, I can definitely go deeper into that. But I hope this framework that I just broke down to you guys definitely worked. If you have any questions for me, please, like I said, put it down in the comment section. Let me know what stood out to you. What do you want me to dive deeper into? And like I said, until next time, guys, see you in the next video. Peace.